This is a 2010 Cadillac srx4, and I watched one video. I'm doing a starter on it, and one guy said to unbolt the four nuts off the exhaust and to get more room, but I don't want to do that because I'm afraid that'll break open. And so I managed to get the starter out, and all I had to do was remove the oxygen sensor. And you might have to twist it and turn and get it in there, but it goes in. That came out. Trying to put it in. Kind of hard holding the phone and one hand in it. I just want to get it up in there and show you that you don't have to do that. It is a pain in the ass though to get everything out of the way, but I'm sure it'd be more pain in the ass trying to get the exhaust moved out of the way. How did I do that? I have too much wire in the way at the moment. See if I can put my phone. I'll put this down for a minute. There we go. See that? Push it right up in there. Bang. See? Don't have to take the exhaust off. It just is tight getting up in there. We got big hands, you might have to do the exhaust, but like I said, I'm not screwing with that. Not when it looks like that. I said his wife will have a fit if it leaks. Yep. So, just showing you guys a little something. Don't fuck with the exhaust.